Oh,
Oh no!
Giving your number to someone new.
Hey, I had 2 wins last year.
All sports change.
Haha, laugh it up. Real fun.
I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb.
Six more next-generation rookies in the field.
With 6 veterans fired to clear the way. The options, and I finally decided. Slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I could. Should I say caboose? Because he's always in the back, am I right?
No, chick. McQueen.
There was a lot left in me. I never got a chance to.
Hey, Bobby, do you know what's happening with Brick? Oh.
You used to say that all the time.
Mater, what are you doing in here?
Flagship of interactive race simulation.
The XDL-24G.
Do it, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa!
You have jumped a barrier.
Bobby Swift and Cal Weathers. These three are fun to watch, aren't they, Daryl?
You know, Bob, I can't tell if they have more fun on.
Launch this thing.
Mr. McQueen, wait until you can handle it, please. There are no shortcuts.
Okay, we'll